Hi there, I hope all is well. I've been getting a lot of questions in regards to beard shampooing and conditioning, and I guess my general routine when it comes to beard care. Now I'll start off with answering a question pertaining to beard shampooing. A lot of people out there say that you're not to shampoo your beard every day. However, not everyone is the same, and I say this in regards to oily skin, oily hair. Some people are oilier than others. Me being one of them, I shampoo and condition my beard every day. And I can honestly say, as far as the maintenance and the general condition of my beard, it's fine. Soft, it's not coarse, it's not dry. And on the other side of things, there are people that do have dry skin or dry hair. Those people, yes, that's probably not a wise idea for them to wash their beard every day. So with that said and out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and start my daily beard routine. Alrighty, here we go. Step in the shower, make sure your beard is nice and wet. Now the beard wash that I'm gonna be using is from the Beard Struggle. It's non-greasy and it's free from synthetic ingredients that can damage your beard and leave it looking thin, dry, and unhealthy. It's vitamin rich, germ fighting, and helps stop beard dandruff. Now with the conditioner, it's also from the Beard Struggle. It helps with straightening wavy, curly, and frizzy hair. It moisturizes and nourishes the beard and helps reduce beard hair loss. It also stimulates hair follicles and encourages growth, as well as reducing itchiness. Okay, now that we're done with the shower, here are the tools. We have a daytime tonic. This is from the Beard Struggle. It's the Daily Elixir. We have the Beard Struggle comb. Definitely comes in handy. And we have the Beard Balm. It's 100% natural. It helps with moisture, helps protect, and it helps with styling your beard. Back to the daytime tonic. It's for added volume and shine, and it's a non-greasy, lightweight formula for all-day softness. This oil, it's gentle and it's a fresh scent, so it'll complement whatever cologne you choose to use, and it also helps with protecting against damaging UV rays. Now the balm helps increase moisture along the hair shaft. It seals moisture in the follicles. It helps protect against bacteria and pollutants, and my primary reason for using it is for the styling factor. There you have it. That is my daily morning routine when it comes to beard maintenance. Now going back to the question in regards to how often to shampoo your beard, again, it's specific to the individual. Everyone is different. So I hope that helps you out if you were thinking, oh man, I really should shampoo my beard more, even though you already have dry skin, or if you have oily skin and they're telling you to wait 4 days and you're super greasy by the end of the 4-day period. Yes, everyone is different. So again, I hope that helps you out. If this video in general, if you did like it, or if it did help you out, if you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. But yeah, I guess that's all for today. Peace.